Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disneyland to check off a few more things on Katie's birthday wish list. Let's roll that intro. To begin our day, we are back at the Haunted Mansion, the holiday overlay. That's right, the horror overlay. It's gonna be gone for a bit, all right, guys? Or the original, I don't know. I just really like this one. And I like to start my day here just because I know it's limited time only. Oh, what a sweet boy, Zero. Love you, Zero. So good. Good morning, man-eating plant reef. There you go. Oh man, I just love this so much. The ballroom. Like how cool. Like I said this a few times on other attractions, but I hope I never ever get sick of this. Like I hope I never come here and I'm like, oh, you know, whatever. Like look at how amazing this is. Zero always had a little lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Oh, yeah, a little wax candle man. It says Raleigh on there for Hollycroft. Helped make the Haunted Mansion a reality. Isn't that cool? There's a hat box also. Hi, hat box. Good morning. Scary Teddy getting in a bunch of mischief. There is Jack. Hi, Jack. And Zero, of course. Just for me? Oh, I'll get at the end of the ride. Jack is so cool. Oh. Bum ba da bum. Do 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 do. Oh. So festive. I just love that. I just love that so much. So cool. Comes on the camera super duper well too. Oh my gosh. It's like popping in the eyeballs, you know? Oh. Pretty ghosts come out to socialize. Oh. Oogie. I love when he says that. We're going to Oogie Boogie Bash later. Very excited. I can't wait for that. Oh, I got the weird gingerbread. Yeah, I don't know if I'd eat those. Who am I kidding? I'd try them. Well, I'm trying to check off a few more things off the list that Katie sent me for things to do for our birthday. And Mr. Toad's Wild Ride is definitely one of them. Good morning, my old friend. Good morning. It's so good to see you. Yes, oh, you said, oh, happy birthday to Katie. Thank you, Mr. Toad. I appreciate that very much. It's like we're getting McBadger. Very exciting. McBadger, I'm driving your car, man. Okay, a hard left. Okay, whoa. Oh my gosh. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Yeah. Mole. Mole. Oh, pardon me, sir. I'm sorry. There's Ratty's house right there. It's so lovely down here. No, I can't. I'm sorry. Oh, there's the paddy wagon. Please get me out of here. Okay, get myself out of here. Okay, here we go. You know, this car, it doesn't make a lot of noise. It must be electric. Hard left. There we go. I'm dodging out of these barrels. Ready? Left and then right and then left. There we go. All right, perfect. Nailed it. Oops, I hit something. Oh, I go to the brick wall. Oh my goodness. Where'd they put that brick wall there? When did they do that? Okay, well, as long as nobody drives right into me, we should totally be fine. Hey, whoa, boys! Wrong side of the road, come on. Hello. Good morning. Oh, knocking things over. Sorry, boys. Ooh, a little law court. Get guilty. Yeah, get guilty. I like that. I like the little remix there, buddy. Woo! All right, here we go. Oh, it is. Ooh. Musty. Drink it in. This is maybe another favorite smell from Disneyland. It is very warm in here. Oh my gosh, looks so cool. How metal. Oh. Next up, a little Alice in Wonderland. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Oh, Katie, good choice. Oh yeah, I've got a green. It's green. Yeah, well, kind of like a, I don't know, is it like a teal maybe? An aquamarine, I don't know.
Rabbit. Well,
Alice, catch him.
It went this way. Oh, no, that way.
I'm late. Oh, bye, White Rabbit. Oh, man. I know Mr. Toad's is my favorite because of history and the wildness of it all, the crazy ending. But I'll say this much. This ride, it's in second. Oh, Tuggly Woods. Good old Tuggly. Oh, this place is infested with cats. Alice, please help me. They all look kind of sad. Except this guy, he looks very happy. Okay, alright. Oh, a little croquet? Love to.
The queen always wins.
Okay, so the queen always wins, so no matter what, doesn't matter if she screws up here, she's gonna win, right? Seems like it should be the first rule. Oh. I never noticed that their mouths were little hearts. It's super cute. Wow. Oh, yes. It's like, oh, Matterhorn, I love you so much. Oh, man, what a ride. What a ride. And some people have said this is their favorite part of the ride, coming outside. And this is where the dynamic nature of it falls into place, because not every dark ride has like an outdoor sequence like this, right? Alice is pretty unique in that regard. I guess Winnie at the very beginning, and I don't know. Not really, though. It's good stuff. I love it. I love it. And because it isn't exactly my birthday anymore, we put together a little thing here. Little unbirthday situation. Katie, this is for you by the time you watch it. Unbirthday. Pum pum. I live in the unbirthday now. Oh my gosh. It's my birthday too. It's Katie's birthday too. Yeah. Oh no, please. Oh, so good. Do come back. I was referencing it back there, but another one on Katie's list, Matterhorn Bobsleds. And on the count of 3, we're gonna do the chant. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Matterhorn. Ho, 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 Matterhorn. Yes, for Katie's birthday. Here we go again, down the icy slopes. Where's my good friend Harold? There he is! Oh, Katie, he just wished you a happy birthday. So nice. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Whoa! There. Oh yeah. Oh, we're on a Fantasyland side, by the way. Bye. Also in here at night, if you look up, it's beautiful. Pretty in the daytime still, but the ice at night. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Yes. Woo! I love the splashdown. I love the splashdown. Here we are aboard the SS Alice, going into Monstro. Storybookland Canal boats time. It's for you, Katie. Niagara action. Such a cute ride. I've never ridden it this early in the morning that I can recall. Different perspective for sure. Man. It's also probably my favorite part right over here. It's so cozy.
Look, the wishing well. just across the way is Cinderella Castle. Cinderella, who attended the ball with the stroke of midnight, her carriage is back into a pumpkin. If you look up at that bridge, the pumpkin is still there.
A shot of Alice in Wonderland area over there. So cute. Toad Hall.
We're now approaching the city of Airedale, where Queen Elsa and Princess Anna discovered the bond of sisterly love. Oh, a snowman. And just up ahead is the shadow.
Love this shot here at the Matterhorn. So good.
They now live happily ever after. And just beyond our waterfall here is the city of Atlantica.
Just want to take a quick second here and thank you for watching. I appreciate it so darn much. Also, thank you to the members here on YouTube and to the patrons. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. I know, like I've been saying, I usually say that for the end, but I just want to throw this in here now, just because, you know, you guys mean so much to me. Thank you for all the support. Really, really appreciate it. The next and I believe final request from Katie was Snow White's Enchanted Wish. So between these two videos, Katie, I think I got all the ones you requested for now. But also, can we guilt Katie into coming here, please? Please? Just guys, just be like, Katie, go to California. Come here, Katie, come to California. Here we are. Enchanted wishes are coming true. Yes. Hi Snow. You guys are such good dancers and musicians. Except somebody's wish isn't coming true. Yours, lady, come on. Dopey. So they're having that party and then they managed to get back to the mine pretty quickly. Maybe it's like the next day. Do they sell the jewels? I don't know if they sell them. I think they just keep them. You know? Oh. Yes. It's the best part. Best. There she is. Hey, well, the only thing you're fooling me into is an early grave there, miss. It's very scary. Please, spun back around there. Nope. My goodness. So scary. Aren't you a queen? You got subjects to worry about. Come on. Yay. Snow, your wish came true. Yeah. Good job, everybody. We did it. Survived. Oh, there's traffic. We live here now. Okay. Bye, Snow. Bye. Oh, that tree over there is really nice. I'm taking notice of it. Yeah. Everybody, that's going to do it for me here today at Disneyland. Again, Katie, this was for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I got everything on your list. Just about. Thank you for sending that to me. That was great. I wish you could be here. Maybe next year, Katie will be here. My twin sister, guys. She's amazing. I love her very much. So shout out to Katie. And shout out to all of you watching. Very important to me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for all the likes and the comments. The shares, you guys have been sharing like crazy. It means a heck of a lot. And also thanks to the members and the patrons. Thank you for keeping me going here, guys. Seriously, I appreciate it. But until next time, just, no, really, truly, I said it before, but like, you guys watching, it really does mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. If you want to support further, there are links down below. You don't have to do any of those things though. I just want you to hang out with me here in the videos. That's great. Oh my gosh. Okay, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Show of Patience has been rewarded with a bonus spin. We're going to Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters. Let's do it. I got stopped right before we got like moving here. Max and McKenna up front there. They're getting their shots off. I'm not though. We're ready to lock, shock, stock, and rock. Let's do it. Blasting some Astros. There we go. Go over those triangles, people. Yeah, get some triangles back in there. Okay, oh, we'll take it. We call this score padding. Sometimes I feel like I couldn't hit water if I fell out of a boat, you know what I mean? Broadside of a barn, other jokes. We're doing it. Not my best score, but you know what? I'm a space scout. Hey, you know what? I'll take it. That was great. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.